Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, and let me share with you how to activate the automatic system updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. So let's tap on it. Then let's enter Software Information section and localize the build number. Keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. And if you want to learn more about the developer options, I highly recommend to check our tutorial. So after activating, we can go back to the general settings and enter the developer options. Here, let's scroll down just a little bit to find this auto update system. All we have to do right now is to tap on the switcher. From this moment, this option is active, which means that your device will be allowed to apply the updates whenever it will be restarted. So as you can see, you do not really have to manually update your device. However, remember about restarting it from time to time, so it will have a chance to download and apply the updates. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.